Good morning, student. Now we continue this chapter number 9, exercise number 9.1 and question number 11. Last time, right, till we up to we complete question number 10. What is question number 11? See, in your textbook, right, page number 1204. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. As shown in this figure is already given. From a point on the other end. Suppose a TV tower, correct, is H meter TV tower, correct, TV tower. And this is a bank of the canal. And a point on the other bank directly. Suppose this is a point on the other bank. This is a point D on the, and from the tower opposite to the angle of elevation of the top of the tower. This is the top of tower. Means from a point, the angle of elevation is this angle is 30 degree. And right 20 meters away from the point on the line joining. First angle is 60. This point, and away means remove this side is 30. Always you write the smaller angle is for, then larger angle is there, right? And find the width of the canal. So first, in this question number 11, a TV tower at this bank of the river. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree, right? Suppose height of the TV tower H meter. AB is H, BC is X, angle is 60. One triangle is over. Now when we walk 20 meters away, right, from this tower, means we reach at the distance D, this point D. The angle of elevation is reduced, it becomes 30. Then find the height and the width. Okay. So first, in triangle, which triangle? Suppose in triangle ABC. Right, B is 90, 10, 60 degree. What is the value of tan 60? This angle is 60. Tan 60 means root 3. Tan 60 equal to root 3, opposite upon it. Right, AB upon BC. Root 3 equal to AB means H upon X. Therefore, H equal to root 3X. This is the first part. Now second number, right? Second number means in this triangle ABD. In this triangle ABD, you take 10. In triangle ABD, 10 30. 10 30 means opposite upon adjacent, AB upon BD, right? So we write AB upon BD. 10 30 means 1 upon root 3. What is the value of AB? Already is, this is H meter TV tower, and BD means this total distance. BD means 20 plus X, up to here X and 20. So you write 20 plus X. Okay. Now this 20 plus X, right, is equal to 20 plus X is equal to root 3X. Now what is the value of H? H equal to root 3X. So you write here 20 plus X is equal to. Now root 3X. So what is the value? We resubstitute, correct? So root 3 into X means root 3X, correct? So root 3 minus root 3, correct? Then 2x. 20 plus x equal to 3x. 3x minus x is equal to 20. 2x equal to 20. Now this 2x equal to 20. Okay. This 2x equal to 20. Therefore x equal to 20 upon 2 means 10 meter. Means x equal to 10 meter. So this distance is 10, but what is h? H equal to root 3x, h equal to root 3 into 10, so h equal to 10 root 3 meter. 10 root 3 meter means thus the height of this TV tower is 10 root 3 meter and this distance is 10 meter. Okay, so by this example we understand about the height of the tower and the distance. So today again I repeat, TV tower h meter, point away 60 degree, reach far away 20 meter, total distance is 20 plus x, 1060 root 3, right, h upon x equal to root 3, 1030, 1 upon root 3, cross multiplication, obtain the value of x and h. Okay, so today again I told you that you repeat this two questions 10 and 11. Okay, try to solve yourself, draw the figure and write in your classwork. Next time we start next lesson.